name is Raquel. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. So if you don't know, and if you didn't check out the last, I think it was like 2 videos ago, I burnt 2 of my spark plug wires. That is known to happen. My car is twin turbo now, so the engine gets a lot more heat in it. So we got ones that are never going to burn. And these things are, you hear this? Legit. Like this is the real stuff. So basically we're going to install that, but I want to say, if you guys have Instagram, definitely go check out wicked_LSX Performance. I think that's what it is. I'll leave it right here. Definitely go follow him on Instagram. If you guys need anything done to your motor, your engine, you want to refresh, you want to boost your car, you want to cam it, anything, he is located in North Georgia. I know some people got their cars shipped to them because they saw the amazing work that he did on my car. He did my entire motor refresh and did a lot of goodies. So if you haven't checked that video out, I will go post that below of everything that's done to it. But he also helped me twin turbo the car. So yeah, he's amazing. And I'm located in South Florida, so I had to bring the car all the way up there, and it was totally worth it. Hi Hercules. This is Hercules, if you don't know. This is one of my 4 dogs. He's a goof. Yeah, I know. But we're gonna start working on the car. Yeah, sit. Hey, come here. You gonna stretch? Come here. Sit. Sit. Give me paw. No, that's both paws. Sit. Sit. Give me paw. Give me another paw. Down. Down. Run over. Run over. No treat. No treat. No treat for you. No treat for you. No treat. Where are we going? So they are all labeled. This one's too, but they're all labeled somewhere. Hold on. 4 and then 8. So I'm going to plug them in and run them in. Yeah. Oh, we should be good to go. So I have the garage door cracked just a little bit, but we're gonna fire it up. I'm gonna let it sit for a second, and then I'm gonna try to rev it. I heard it when I would rev it. So if it sounds off, then obviously we have more problems. But I'm gonna get it started just to make sure that we're good before we move everything around and pull it out. Well, let's see. It sounded like it had a problem. I'm not really sure, but what I'm going to do is we're just gonna go for a drive and test it out. That's the only way that we're gonna make sure that the car is running good. So yeah, let's go test it out, drive it around, and see if it'll hit boost, because it wouldn't hit boost. So yeah. So my car is in a different spot than it was before, and I definitely didn't go take a nap. Just a little nap. Okay. It's ready to go. It's gonna be loud in here. Truck got to be sold to do it,